This is a 1954 Chevy 210 two-door sedan. It's an attractive pale blue and white two-tone combination. And under the hood we have the famous blue flame overhead valve 6. A very big oil bath air cleaner there. And we've got hubcaps and wheel trim rings there on the car. Now this was the mid-range car. The Bel Air was the top of the line. It looks like new upholstery inside. And we've got fender skirts on this car. And the car has power glide. Things were so much simpler back in the day. Now that isn't my hand checking out the upholstery. I don't touch cars unless given permission to do so. And you see they hadn't gone to slab siding. There is obvious bulge there in the rear quarter. Things would change quite a bit in 1955. There we have the Power Glide advertisement there in the back. And backup lamps were integral there with the standard stop lights. It's a nice car. A reliable car. And a car that had modest operating expenses. It was for sale, but again, this is back in 2018. So we don't know the disposition of the car at this point.